Hi, this is Dave with DRH Acrylic Creations. Today we're going to be doing a piece that I called Scarlet Letter. Our pillow painting is going down now. This is my normal PPG Multi-Pro. This is Oxide Black. This is a mixed with my pouring medium. This is an Amsterdam product. Next down is going to be Payne's Gray by Liquitex, and it has a blue shade to it. This is where I'm going to be swiping. So this is Payne's Gray with a black shade to it, and this is Amsterdam. And I'm hoping to get a juxtaposition between the black and the blue, very subtle. Okay, dirty swipe. This is Scarlet Red by Arteza, and my two cell activators, which is Iridecent Gold Deep, both by Amsterdam, and they are mixed with 3 parts Australian floetrol to 1 part paint. I'm doing the scoop and drag that allows me to enhance the composition and create something of interest. If you've missed anything at all, don't worry about it. We can find that down in the description below, along with links to things that I use and information that you might be able to glean from to help you in your process. Up on the upper right, you're going to find a link to a set of videos that I did to explain how I mix my paints, how I mix my pouring mediums, and several other useful videos to learn how I do all of the things that you see me do here. So take a time and check it out. The scoop and drag is playing in the paint, gives it some of my composition and my flow. Let's stretch this out a little bit, try to get things in the basic place I'd like to see them, and get a better idea what's going on with the composition after it spreads out. I've cut out quite a bit of the repetitive parts of this video to just concentrate on the process. It's about time to start spinning. My rule of thumb for spinning is that if you want to be able to spin it long, you need to go slow. If you spin it fast, it's for a short duration. Lots of things can change very quickly if you go fast. So my rule of thumb is always to take it slow. And again, I cut some of this out today just to give you a chance to see the process without having to sit through every step of it. It's about time for the flyover. I want you to notice how beautiful cells came out on this one. I love the two-tone cells, and the gold stood up beautifully. I think making the cell activator just a little bit thicker today made all the difference in the world. If you found this video today useful, I invite you to give me a like, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and ring the bell for notifications of future videos that I'll put out. It's my goal to put out at least 2 per week, and I'm hoping you're finding them both enjoyable and useful. Thanks for being here today, and I hope you have a great day. Bye now.